Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Shankar Dewan Official. In today's video, we'll talk about something that everyone dreams of, becoming a topper in life. Whether it's in studies, work, or any other area, these 7 tips will guide you to success. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Set clear goals. The first step to becoming a topper is setting clear goals. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve? Write it down and make a plan. Goals give you direction and help you stay focused. Remember, a dream without a plan is just a wish. Tip number 2. Manage your time effectively. Time management is the key to success. Divide your day into blocks for study, rest, and activities. Use planners or apps to organize your tasks. Remember, every topper values time like gold. Don't waste it. Tip number 3. Be curious and ask questions. Toppers are curious learners. They don't hesitate to ask questions and clear their doubts. If you don't understand something, ask your teacher, watch videos, or read more about it. Curiosity opens the door to deeper understanding. Tip number 4. Take care of your health. Health is wealth, and it plays a huge role in your performance. Eat a balanced diet, get enough sleep, and exercise regularly. A healthy body supports a sharp mind. Tip number 5. Stay positive and motivated. Challenges will come, but staying positive is what makes you a topper. Surround yourself with supportive people, read motivational books, or watch inspiring videos. Keep reminding yourself why you started. Tip number 6. Practice consistently. Practice makes perfect. Whether it's solving math problems, writing essays, or preparing for exams, regular practice builds confidence and expertise. Consistency is the secret to mastery. Tip number 7. Learn from mistakes. Nobody is perfect, not even toppers. Learn from your mistakes and keep improving. Instead of being discouraged, see failures as stepping stones to success. Remember, each mistake teaches you something valuable. So these were the 7 ways to become a topper in life. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent, work hard, and never give up on your dreams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shankar Dewan Official for more motivational content. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.